welcome back to my channel. So welcome back to Sepal Zanskar vlog. So today in this video I love to shoot in this part of my apartment because the light straightly come from the window and I don't like to shoot in dark, so that's why this has become my perfect spot for my intro video. So today I don't know what this vlog is going to be. I think this is going to be a random vlog. I'll put together all the random clips that I will be able to shoot in this week. So right now I have made a Dalgona blend or Dalgona coffee. So I have stirred it. It's so simple. For those who don't know how to make Dalgona coffee, I guess most of you guys must be knowing it because it went really viral during Corona time and everybody was making this coffee. So it's really simple. You have to take 1 tablespoon of coffee and 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of sugar in it, and then you have to blend it, stir it until it becomes thick and brownish in color. So after that you have to mix with milk. It has become so thick. You can see it has become so thick. It took me around 20 to 30 minutes for me. So it depends whatever machine or whatever blender you are using or what kind of energy you have. So after that I have put some Hershey's syrup on this glass so that it look more aesthetic. So for now I'm using this Davidoff coffee. You can use whatever coffee brand you want to use. I love this coffee for now. Instant rich aroma. It really smells good. So we're gonna have our coffee with the breakfast, so I will show you then. So for now I have to clean my room because my sister was complaining me that you're doing nothing and all the house chores are done by me. So now I think I should do some work. Yeah, cheers. 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 일부러? Guys, we are having, आप लोग भी पिएगा, ठीक है? ये प्लेन लस्सी है, प्लेन. Like showing my recent purchase to you guys. So recently I have purchased 2 bags, one from Savannah and one from Misho. So I just wanted to show you guys that bag, and also I got a top. I'm going to show you my bag, and I got this bag. So this is for daily use, so I thought कि थोड़ा सा सस्ता ले. I got this from Misho. So one of my friend bought this kind of bag, so I really like that bag. So I also got one for me. So this is a Misho bag. So this is so nice. यहाँ पे गिफ्टी करके कुछ लिखा है. So material थोड़ा लेंथ आने वाला है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. So the स्टोरेज काफ़ी अच्छा है, काफ़ी बड़ा है. सो आई थिंक कॉलेज में लेने के लिए दिस इज़ अ गुड आर्टिकल. यू शुड गेट इट. सेकंड वन इज़ दिस बैग. सो आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग टू बी बेटर, बट ये वाला क्वालिटी मुझे इतना ख़ास नहीं पसंद आया. ओरिजिनल लेदर तो है ही नहीं और इतना पतला मटेरियल है, पर चलेगा. I paid this 1000 something. So Savannah से है ये, ऐसा कुछ है. This is something like this. पता नहीं, अब ले लिया तो ले लिया, क्या कर सकते हैं. So शर्ट भी अभी दिखा देते हैं आप लोगों को. सो दिस इज़ द शर्ट. आजकल ये वाला ट्रेंडिंग पे है. सो और 2 चीज़ें आने वाला है. सो आई विल बी शोइंग दैट थिंग ऑल्सो इन दिस वीडियो. सो शर्ट ये है. काफ़ी मटेरियल वाइज बहुत अच्छा है. और आई पे दिस ऑल्सो 1000. सो दिस लेट कीप इट इनसाइड बिकॉज आई विल बी वेयरिंग इट टुमारो. सो थोड़ा सा अच्छे से रखते हैं क्योंकि रिंकल्स आ जाएगा कल. अदरवाइज इसको ऐसा करके रख देते हैं. कल मैं पहनने वाली हूँ. सो या बाय. Hey guys, so right now we are heading towards Chandi Mandir because there's something called Silver Jubilee by the Ladakh Scout. So this is my OOTD OOTN outfit of the night. Outfit of the night. And this is a OOTN. So I'll keep you updated when I get there. So stay tuned. I feel so comfortable in this shirt. This is not revealing from any angle, so I feel really comfortable in this. So we're gonna dance, we're gonna enjoy tonight. So see you there. The next performance Kids and Girls की तरफ से
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. आज मैं गुजारिश करती हूँ कि मशहूर लद्दाखी गायिका गेस्ट हूँ मशहूर लद्दाखी गायिका तंजीम गस्कित से मैं गुजारिश करती हूँ मधुर संगीत के कार्यक्रम में 4 चांद लगाए. जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें तंजीम गस्कित बिना नाम ली लद्दाखी
Hello, Julie, and good evening, everyone. मेरा नाम संजीन गस्कित है और मैं संस्कार लद्दाख से हूँ. तो मैं और जो आज एक लद्दाखी गाना पेश करने जा रहे हैं जैज बैंड के साथ. तो जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे बैंड के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच.
tu socii și zerbos meta Shashu shushu galvana taste chancho sechan tupa Shuse yognati jmagmi ama chuwa shua tosta We do this, we do that, we all know